Hi everyone, my name is Kushlendra Singh. Today I am here to representing my team named Cyber Hustlers. This time we are going to represent the idea of lung cancer detection model, which is based on machine learning and deep learning concept in Python programming language. We are a group of 4 team members in which I am the team leader and the rest of 3 are group members. Their names are Kamal Jala, Nitish Kumar Sharma and Harsh Kumar Patel. We are creating a lung cancer prediction model using conventional neural network with the help of Python machine learning. The conventional neural network is the one of the best ways to detect lung cancer. Lung cancer detection at an early stage has become very important and also very easy with image processing and deep learning techniques. This will help us early detection of lung cancer with accurate results. Our project objective and scopes are decreasing the rate of cancer death. In our country, deaths from cancer are mostly caused by lung cancer. Second, reducing human error. Computer-based intelligent programs while accelerating the process of reaching the result also allow the reduce the possibility of human error. The third is cost reduction and the last and least fast and accurate diagnostics. How are we going to proceed? We are going to use image processing which reduces the extra noise of picture quality which will help to better analyze the city image. We are going to create a deep learning model which will be based on various algorithms. Based on this history database records, the model is going to train. At the last, by all this methodology, we will predict the best and accurate outcome. Why we are working on this model? Physicians may be tired, stressed, disturbed. Due to this, they can give wrong information and can create an error. There can be a lack of awareness between the people about lung cancer. Due to inaccurate results, there can be serious medical conditions. And at the last, wrong diagnosis. Why should people use our prediction model? For best accuracy, our model is cost efficient, easy to use by any user. Our model is reliable and accessible and platform independent. We hope you'd liked our project idea. Hope you will give us chance to work on this idea in your hackathon. Thank you.